Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to easily and quickly resize Excel column width and row height with these quick tips. So simple and easy way. Firstly, select this triangle in this left side top corner. Now double click on between line of any rows like 3 or 4. So just double click on it. So we can see now every row height are equally. Similar way, you can adjust column width equally. So double click any between line of two column like F or G. You will see your cursor is changed into two-fold arrow. So just double click on it. Similar way, select this corner and adjust size for any column and click anyway. That's it. So this is the way you can quickly resize Excel column width and row height in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.